In today's session, what we'll do, we'll strengthen our knowledge in functions, especially text functions. So plan for today's session is something like this. We'll revise the functions that we have, and then we directly step into the hands-on. So I'll request you to download the data setups recently shared with you. Please go ahead and download that. Okay. As you guys see, in text function we basically had like 4 categories: extraction kind of text functions, modification text function, membership text function, and transformation text function. So I brought all those 4 categories into our sheets. So what we'll do, we'll learn each category, and then we try to attempt the hands-on for each category. So starting with extraction text function. So as the first function is text.et. Okay, as it says, we're going to get what text is at a particular position. So the syntax is something like this. So we need to specify what is our text that we need to find, and then we need to give which position we need to get the text from. So in this case, it's position 4. So that means it's going to start. It's going to start from here, where it's going to have index 0, and E1, L2, L3, and O is 4. So we're going to get output as O. Right? Text.et is used to get any character which is in a particular position. And then next function is text.middle. So if we want to get any substring from the text, right? So we can use this text.middle function, wherein you can specify from which position you want to get the text and what should be the length of the substring that you are interested in. So in this example, you can see we are basically extracting a substring from this hello world string from position 6, which is W, with length of 5, right? And we're going to get output as world. And text.range is also same. We're going to have we're going to get a substring by using this function. The syntax is something like this. We're going to specify the text, then the starting position, and you can even specify the length. If you don't specify the length, it's going to get the complete string from that particular starting position. So as I haven't specified any length, so it's going to get W. From W, it's going to get till end of the string. So its output is word. And then we had text.stat, right? So if you want to get any substring for the string where you want to get only the starting few characters, right? In that case, you can directly use this text.stat, and you can specify what is the length. As we specified length of 5, it's going to get first 5 characters. If you want to get only first 3 characters, then you can give just 3. Then that will give you the first 3 characters. So in this case, we specified we want to get only first 5 characters from this particular text. So output will be hello. And similarly goes for end. Text.end will get you the last n characters, wherein you can specify it in the syntax. So as I specified 5, so it's going to get last 5 characters of this particular text. So we're going to get word as our output. So any doubts as of now?
No, okay.
Yeah. So let's connect to the data set wherein I've gave the questions over there. You can go ahead and attempt them. So steps would be get data from file, from workbook. And let's navigate the file. And please connect to dataset _ extraction. Click import. Let's select sheet 1. transform data. Right. So, okay, headers is in the first row. So let me just make my first row as my headers. Okay. So you can see the first column, I've just placed those functions for our reference. So these are the 5 functions that we learned in the extraction category. And this is the data wherein we are having like code, space, category, space, name. So category is just a single character category. And then, so third column is questions. So you can see a first question is find the code using middle function and even using start function. So we basically need to extract the code from this particular data column. One is using middle function. Please extract this code by using middle function. That's number 1. And number 2, extract the same code using start function. Is the question clear?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Please attempt that and do let me know once you are done with it.
Basically, I'm done.
Right, so let's look into the solution. So add column, then I clicked on custom column. We'll just rename this as code by using middle function. So text dot middle is the function that we need to use. The syntax is, so we need to give the text, which text we want to get the subtext from. So I'll just give this code category name, then start number. So from where do I need to get the code from? So from which position I need to look for? So in here, I need to start from index 0, right? So my position is 0, and how many characters I need to extract? I basically need to get 4 characters because code is having 4 characters. So I'll just say start 0,4 and click OK. So we've extracted code using middle function, and the second part is I extract the same using start function. So I'll just click on custom column and rename this as code underscore start. So here we need to use start function, text dot start, text dot start, and this is my text, and give me first 4 characters. I'll click OK. Any doubts as of now?
No.
Okay, so let's step into the second question. So now we basically need to find the category, so which is the second one, using add function and middle function. Please try to do that and let me know once you're done with it. We can look into the solution. Do let me know once you're done with Q2, we can look into the solution. Right, let me walk you through the solution. So I'll go into same add column, custom column. So first question one is we need to find category using add function, right? So I'll just say cat underscore add. So text dot add. I'll open this. So okay, which syntax is we need to pass in the text and then we need to give the index. So I'll just pass in this one, this column, and my category will always be at index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? So I'll just set 5. I'll click OK. So using add function, we've got the category extracted from this particular column. Now second one is we need to use middle function. So I'll go into the same procedure, custom column, cat underscore using middle function. So text dot middle and pass in field, and where do I need to start? So it's the same, the index is 5, so I need to start at index 5. And what should be my length? My length need to be 1 so that I can extract only category, right? Because category is single character, so I need to say 1 is my length. I'll click OK. So we've extracted category, one using add function and one using middle function. Any doubts as of now?
No doubt, Sachin.
Okay. So the third question is we need to extract the name using range function. Using text.range function, we basically need to extract the name. Let's go ahead and do that, and then we'll discuss the solution.
Done.
Awesome. So would you like to walk us through the solutions, Matt?
So yeah, I just use text range function,
Okay.
then the code category name.
Yeah. Text dot range. Okay. Code category name.
And then I give now index in 7.
Yes. Awesome. Yeah. So any doubts as of now?
No, but it's clear.
Okay. So yeah, why do we use only range function in this case to extract name? Why don't we use end function? So if you look into this name, we don't have a fixed length, right? So name length will be changing by user by user. So we cannot use end function, because in end function we basically need to specify, okay, get me the last n characters, right? So over there we need to specify how many characters we need to extract. So in this case we cannot use end function, but we can use range, because we definitely know the name starting character position will be always 7. So no matter how big it is, we can directly use this range, and we can specify starting as 7. So as we haven't specified the count, it's going to take till end of the string. All right. So okay, then let's load this into our workbook. To do that, we'll just click File, Close and Load to. Okay. So we want to load it as a table into an existing workbook. I'll select this. I'll click OK. So what have we learned today? We basically looked into 5 types of extraction functions, especially text extraction functions, which basically extract any substring or character from the text that we do have. So et will give us only a single character. And if you want to extract any particular character, we can use et function. Middle and start, we can use them to get any substring from the string. And then start is used to get only start n characters from the string, and end is used to get n characters from the text. In interest of time, let's close this, and we'll look into these remaining text functions in upcoming sessions. And you can even use this reference to get more info about these functions.